Let's talk about something most people overlook. How secure are our robotic systems and web services? I mean, think about it. From smart vacuums, cloud-connected assistants, these gadgets are everywhere. But with all that convenience comes a real risk. Hackers love finding new ways to break in. Picture this. Someone hacks your home robot and suddenly they've got access to your personal info, your routines, maybe even your cameras. Scary, right? But it's not just about homes. Businesses, hospitals, factories. If their security is weak, it could mean stolen data, halted operations, or worse. So, what can you do? First, always use strong, unique passwords. Don't stick with the default ones, those are hacker goldmines. Next, keep your devices and software updated. Manufacturers patch vulnerabilities all the time, but those updates only help if you actually install them. And here's a pro tip. Set up two-factor authentication wherever you can. That extra step can make a huge difference. Also, be careful about what you connect to your network. The more devices you add, the more entry points you create for attackers. Finally, know your privacy settings. Take a few minutes to review what data your devices collect and who they share it with. The bottom line? Convenience is awesome. But it shouldn't come at the cost of your security or privacy. Stay smart, stay safe, and keep those robots working for you, not against you.